Hey guys, so here I'm going to explain to you how record keeping works. So we have tasks, fields, notes, and glossary. So when we go to tasks, you can see that you can sort your tasks in three statuses: in progress, open, and done. At the top, you can see you have a map icon, a filter icon, and a search icon. If you go to the map icon, you can see your tasks on the map. And if you go back and select the list icon, it'll bring you back to the list view. And at the top here, you can just filter your tasks by the date, by the type of task, etc. When we go to fields, you can see that all your fields show up. And again, we have the filter bar at the top. So you can filter your fields by date, crop, or what type of group they belong to. At the top, again, you have the map icon and the filter icon. So if you select the filter icon, then the filter view goes away. If you reselect it, it comes back. And if you want to add a new field, you can simply just press the plus button on the bottom right. If you go to notes, you can see you have three types of notes. You have note, fixed point, and obstacle. Again, we have the filter bar at the top, so you can filter your notes in terms of style. And if you want to add a note, you can simply press the plus button on the bottom right. And if we go to glossary, you can add any tools or materials that you have not used. So if you go to one of the four categories for glossary and select one of them, you could see the type of tools or materials you have. And if you want to add something new, you can just press the plus button. And once you are done, you can press save.